chama pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua com essa enrolação. Já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, você só continua com essa enrolação. Eu já limpei e arrumei o que você pediu, enquanto você tinha outra coisa que arrumar. E mesmo assim te esperando você não saiu. Falou que falta eu botar água pra esquentar. Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua com essa enrolação. Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua com essa enrolação. Depois faltou cozinha, banho, roupa e bebê. Parece sempre que há uma coisa pra fazer. Já te falei que compromisso não pode esperar, mas você sempre arruma coisa pra se enrolar. Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua com essa enrolação. Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua com essa enrolação. Eu já limpei e arrumei o que você pediu, enquanto você tinha almoço para cozinhar. E mesmo assim depois de tudo você não saiu. Aproveita que agora vai preparar o jantar. Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, você continua com essa enrolação. Já cheguei, já avisei, e você continua sem
Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday, right? Is it? Yeah, it's Thursday. It's not Friday yet. Happy Thursday, everybody. Good morning to you all. If you're here with me in the YouTube, in Discord, or in X, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have... What's this music? Tiger Trader, Savage, Redberg, Health Freak, Cyrus, Delcourt, Nick, Ferrari, Phil Flum, Tingles, TW Storm, Kelvin. Whoa! There it goes. Morning Stan, Mike, Julius, Fat Guy M, Robino, Amateur Genius, Silent NW, How to Be Tight, Stardust. Good morning. What's up, Mick Gruff, Joe Royalty, G Trader? What's up, Raphael, Brian? Sorry for scaring you. Good morning to you. Kaizen Mike, Luna Trades, Tomoki, Fat Guy, Out West, WD, Anita Lowe, Sean Duncan, Ribsmod, Mira Damar, Danny, Billy, G-Lines, WD, Corgo. I think I already got you. Hi-Ho. Gary Elliott, what's up? What's up, Olaj, Matt, Raphael, TTBZ, FX Golfer, Ryan, Jose, Matthew, Tiki, A-List, Party Music, Kofi, Dan Not The Man, F.A. Root, Claris, Modus, Charlie, RDMS, Josiah, Kite Attack, Sunrise Driver, Gray, Ben, Hindsight King, Navy Guy. I got new NVIDIA drivers yesterday. I wonder if those are going to work well. Fingers crossed. What's up, Coco? Haven't seen you in a hot minute, Coco. Where you been, buddy? Where you been, Coco? Vacay. Welcome back, buddy. Good to see you back here in the mix. Morning to you, Donna, Yolanda, Mooney, Justin, Jess, Dunks, Brian, Dean, BJ, Corey, D. Michael, Summer as Matt, Rui, Jose, Banana, Dwayne. Coming out that way in a few. Dude, let me know. It's nice out right now. It's very nice out here. Was missing something. Aha! We got it. Whew, close one. Yummy. Did it just for yours or just me? Wait, hold on. Really? NVIDIA drivers? Already? Don't tell me we're frozen, right? Huh? No? I should just never download NVIDIA drivers ever again. You know that video. I'm gonna restart Discord. Yes, promo code for my fun and features is code RIPS. It's code RIPS, baby. It looks like Discord updated too. So what are you gonna do? NQ's ripping. It's definitely ripping. It's definitely going up. It's doing a little choppy rip. I should have shorted NVIDIA. Yeah, you know. Well, should be good now. If it's not, it's on your side. Director Hassan's speaking right now. He says, hopeful for trade progress in China. What's up, D-Best? Good morning, Rick. Trader Page. Good morning, good morning. TBT code give a discount or no activation fee as well. It should give no activation fee. I think so. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure about that one. We need some more upbeat jazz in here. Upbeat jazz? That sounds promising. At the Ritz-Carlton, join the profits. Which one? Which Ritz are you at? Is it 25%? No, I think it's 30%, isn't it? Is it not? I thought it was 30%. Let me see. No, it's 30%. 30% off, baby. Dubai, nice. This contest with pullbacks or could easily and quickly turn into a heavy reversal without warning. Dude, anything could happen. Anybody know why the market is up? This is going to be the easiest question you've answered all day. Who's going to be the first one to know? Why is the market up right now? All right, fat guy got it first. Dang. Wait, the fat guy's like the only one who got it. Okay, Matt like got the full answer. Okay, fat guy, Matt, you get a cookie. Dude, I put in upbeat jazz and this is what it's giving me. Hold on. We gotta find a better playlist than this. You're right. I agree. The mood could be hopeful. There we go. That feels right. Now we're sneaking around the NQ. I'm gonna find you. It's fine. We'll deal with it. It's okay. We'll be fine. I promise. No trades yet across the board. Our personal account, obviously, no trades yet. This is still missing that 15K. That's gonna show back up. The 15K is gonna show back on April 20th. The final tally for the month, by the way, got my broker statement. Final P&L on the month was $324,453.50. Ooh-wee. Good stuff. I'm stoked about that. That's a good month. That's the best month that I've had trading this account since I started it. April 20th? No, May 20th. Sorry. I said April. Does the intraday drawdown in TPT go away once you reach the payout target? Yeah, so I found that out yesterday. That once you get into a pro account, that's really like step 2 in TPT. And I didn't really know. I had no idea. I was very confused. I got to read rules of these props. It's on me. It's my fault. But once you pass the TPT test account, they give you a pro account. The pro account is like step 2. Then you have to make the profit target. And then you can start taking daily withdrawals. I was confused yesterday because I made $1,000 on each account. And I was like, yeah, I get to withdraw $5,000. I'm stoked. Nope. It's a step 2. It's a step 2. So if you're trading TPT and you're getting into the pro account, understand that that's like step 2. It's not like now you're funded. I mean, I guess you are. You could, it's up for debate, I suppose. But let's just call pro account step 2. Rips, what's your opinion of Tick Strike? I don't use it. There's like some weird dude who was like obsessed with it that was like messaging me about it all the time. I'm like, I had to block them. They're just like, dude, I don't care about your strategy, man. Like, I love you, thank you, buddy, but I did like stop messaging me about your strategy. Was it you? I hope it wasn't you. But yeah, I don't use it. Can you work with TopStep to get a discount like using TopStep X platform? TopStep X platform is available on a lot of different brokers, but no, I have no discounts at TopStep. They don't do discounts. They're not into that. But I think they're a great prop firm. I think they're fantastic. It's not target. You have to get to the buffer zone and then you can withdraw. Yeah. But it's like, you know, it's like step 2, in my opinion. Hey, Ribs, you ever worry if AI will make manual traders obsolete? No, never. If I would have gone into the day yesterday with TPT, with the pro accounts and been like, oh, this is step 2, you got to make $4,500 over however many days it takes, I would have been like, oh, okay. But it was like somebody like snatched my money, so I was kind of, it was weird. I went into it with the wrong mental state. Hey, Ribs, do you trade on TradingView with the Percy Jackson? I find it to be a little laggy. Is the same for you? It's never been laggy. I use CQG for my connection. If you're using like TradingView? Yeah, TradingView through Rhythmic, maybe your mileage is going to vary, but TradingView with CQG is like snappy. I love it. I've had no issues with it. It's amazing. Take all your trades using a Stream Deck. I just use my mouse. But yeah, the TradingView is like, I love it, dude. I mean, at the end of the day, your platform only does so much, right? If you are like aggressively scalping, you need a Stream Deck. Maybe NinjaTrader is going to be better for you, but you got to use like custom hotkeys and all that. And like the hotkeys that we had, one of our friends in MC build were extraordinary. They were amazing, but I don't really use them anymore because I'm not a NinjaTrader anymore. And my strategy, like how I trade, is just fine with clicking the mouse. Not really hyper scalping or anything like that. So I really like using TradingView. Some people hate the platform. Everybody's telling me like, oh, it's the worst platform. Don't use it. $600,000 later in the profit. I don't mind it. I like it. But again, it doesn't mean that you're going to like it. I just like it for me. You know? TradingView is incredible software. Yeah, I do like that you can trade on your phone too, which is nice. TradingView's lag on executions. Not for me. I've never had lag. Not once. There's never been a time where I put in an order and I'm like, what's going on? Dude, I click the button. Great. Especially if I'm like whacking a big order. I can see it right on Bookmap right away. 25 contracts in the NQ. Just the moment I click. Instant, baby. What's your plan with 600K? Run it up, baby. Car upgrade. I mean, where do we go from here? No, I'm just going to run it up, dude. I want to run it up more and more and more. I'm just going to try to aggressively scale the account more and more and more. I took out the original 100K that I put in, so this is all just pure profit, baby. Only on paper it lags. Well, that makes sense. With CQG, real money, no lags, dude. Can you change connection on TradingView? Change it to what? What do you mean? As of 90XX, yeah. They're just like, you can't really get them right now. Gotta wait some more. I'm on the waiting list right now for the 296 Stradale Aperta. I'm on the waiting list for that. I don't know if I'm going to get the first allocation because, like Las Vegas, they're only getting 3 allocations for the Aperta. And by the way, it's slower than my SF90. So it does the same time around Fiorano, but it's 880 horsepower. Mine's 1,000 horsepower. It's cheaper than the SF90, but it's a brand new car. So I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air about it. We'll see. Overpriced? I don't know. Base price on is like $525 for the Aperta. So once you get options in, you're probably like right around $650-ish, something like that. So for me, when using TradeAvate on TradingView, the chart and the profit are not in sync. One is delayed. Yeah, that's using like something through something, I think. I don't think it's a direct connection because that's like you're probably using Rhythmic, I'm assuming. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I have no idea. Ask Grok about TBT. Says you can withdraw once you become pro. Yeah, but you have to reach a profit target. So it's like, yes, you can withdraw, but you have to. There's another benchmark that you have to meet. I was confused. I went into it yesterday. I'm like, everything I make, I can withdraw. It's not the case. So I was just confused by it. Yeah, anything over the buffer. Exactly. I was confused about the buffer thing. A lot of money for a V6, but dude, look at the track time on Fiorano. It matches the SF90 Stradale for Fiorano's track time. Minute 19, it's very impressive. Can't deny that. Like the SF90XX, I think is a minute 15 in Fiorano. So, and what's the F80? A minute 14 and change. They're all very fast. The SF90 has race mode, which is like, race mode plus qualifying is like outrageously fast. And car will kill you. What was a dark red Ferrari in front of mine in the IG story? That was a Pista. 488 Pista. Beautiful car. That's another one they've been trying to get me to get. I was just, you gotta have like too much time on your hands, I think. They really want me to get that one. They wanted me to buy a regular 296 GTS as well. But whatever. I'm happy with what I have right now. You have to get over the buffer. If you blow the account, you lose the 4,500 buffer. But if you cancel and close the account, you can withdraw the 4,500. You close the account. Really? Yeah, I don't know. Harris, you know if the group selection on TradeAvate does translate over when trading through TradingView? I have no idea, actually. Maybe. No clue. I've never done it that way before, so no idea. News is coming out in 90 seconds. 90 seconds we get jobless claims. See if we can go and trade over in, I don't know, Tradeify probably. Sounds good. How old are you? I'm 16. I'm going to be 17 in 32 and a half months. No, 33 and a half months. Yeah. Why is Ripsmon posting Apex flash sale when the code RIPS is only 50% off? Is it only 50% off? Is it really? That's not true, is it? SF90XX versus the Speciale. The XX is 15 seconds, minute 15. The Speciale Aperta or Coupe is minute 19. It matches the SF90 Stradale. I look 10. Yeah, I get that a lot. When I type in code RIPS, it's 50%. Interesting. All-time favorite Ferrari, the one I have, dude. SF90 is just, it's like unreal. I like, this is fourth or, no, this is my fourth. So I was a customer for the 458 was my very first Ferrari from the dealership. And that car blew me away. Oh my God. We should be talking about the markets instead. What is the print? Say it. Why are you lagging? What's going? 241,000. Dude, that was weird. They literally, like, the algorithms reacted like right at 8:30, and then the print was late. That was weird. Continuing claims at 1.9, jobless claims at 241, higher than expected on both those numbers. Wow. S&P snap VWAP too. Woof. Woof. We're right at the VWAP in the NASDAQ too. We broke VWAP in the S&Ps. Woofta. Tariff news at the same time. Oh yeah, there you go. Hassa said tariff news expected by the end of the day. Right at 5:30 or at 8:30. There you go. That's what it was. That was not. The initial reaction was on that, not on. That's why I was like, jobless claims are late. Why is it? Had shorts got top ticked. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry to hear that. The highest weekly claim since 2023. That's not that crazy. I wonder if that tariff news is going to hold this and buoy the market. Missed a nice little 30 handle there. Is there anything that we can scalp here on this low end of the shelf? We have to worry too about the open with folks in Microsoft and Meta realizing profits and options since we are so close to Friday. Maybe. We'll have to see. A little defense here at 980. Yields are going down a little bit, which is nice. It's a weird thing that we had that tariff news right at the same time. We are back above the VWAP in the S&Ps as well. A little defense there at 980 in the form of 28 contracts. Wonder if we eat that. Nope, we didn't get it. All right, we're gonna reclaim 20,000 here. Got a bad fill, but whatever. 55 contracts here at 95. We just took them. Some hefty buying here. See if we take out this player at 80. Little rinsey here. Okay, we took out that player at 80. See if we bounce now. Back into these 90s. Little overhead supply here. See if we pop back above these 90s and then tag those 20,000 evens. Still a lot of defense here at these 80s. I don't know why the order book is as cleared out as it is right now, to be honest. A little wonky. Okay, there we go. Players are back in here. I really think they want to bring this back above these 90s here, given how they're adding below 75, 70, 67s. See if we get this clear out above 85 with the quickness. There we go. They're starting to walk it up a little bit above this fat order of 70 evens. See if they hold it here. They don't hold these 70 evens. I got to take this off, but I still think they will. Right now, pressure under the 80s. Sounds like Fallout, this music.
Holding in his hand
right, back above these 80s, we are surging a little bit here.
If you hang around that old Viper man, if you should come across a Viper in the night, that's when you get the hit that makes you feel alright. You'll be high and troubles out of sight, so don't you hang around that.
We should tag this order at 80. There's only 28 contracts. Little iceberg above that as well. Okay, we should walk this now. Okay. I didn't get filled at the 90s. I had 2 orders there. It's kind of annoying, a little bit frustrating. I don't know why that didn't get filled at 90. We swept right through it too. Super frustrating. We were done there. Weird how I didn't get that fill. Very strange. We had that locked. So strange. Crazy. See if they'll give it to me now. Gotta move my order down a little bit now. Yeah, my order at 90 and they didn't fill it. Weird. I don't like the rejection, like, into that 90. We did trade 91 though, which is the weird part. Yeah, I don't like that. Super annoying. We should be screaming up through 90s again, but there's a lot of players that are trying to get filled at 85 and nobody's buying it. I gotta reduce my size a little bit here. Down to fewer contracts. I don't like that they were not swiping up at 85s yet. We got scammed. I'm gonna pull that off for now. We're drifting lower. Wait until we find a floor here. Felt a little scam there. Had to order at 90 and we didn't get filled. I thought we printed above 90 too. We're flirting with a VWAP here in the NASDAQ. That previous song jinxed it. No, I don't think so. It was just the fact that we just didn't get filled there. We were done for the day up there at 90s. Also, no shock, we got the vague tariff news announcement right on the top of the jobless claims. Yeah. Watching this overhead supply about 70 here now. We may actually have room to jump back in this. Let's see. Previous 4-hour mid there at 61. But yeah, we were definitely drifting here. You got filled at 90 even. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it was just lag or something. I don't know. Weird. Oh well. right, so overhead supply is getting relaxed into these 70s. Everything's just kind of settling in here. Amazon's a little bit lower. Apple's kind of pushing up off these temporary lows, kind of. Been kind of snaking around here all morning in Apple. McDonald's is talking right now about their $5 value meal on their call. We're going to continue to offer that $5 value meal. Well, thank you, McDonald's. I don't know what we'd do without you. All right, I'm going to take this back on here. Because I think that we can drive, as long as we hold the lows of like 60 on this, I would think that we could drive pretty nicely here. More fake food. Yeah, McDonald's has not been good for a while, in my opinion. GM CEO just said tariffs had a big impact in the first quarter. If we reclaim 80s here without any kind of impedance, then this will be strong for us. Like that, yes. Whoa. Somebody had a stop order right there at 80, but we filled right below. You see that? So the bids are actually holding here, which is perfect. Exactly what we're looking for. We just have to get snaked above 85. We get that pop above 85 and this thing is gone. Little defense there, those 80s. They're starting to put a lot of overhead supply now coming back in. A little tricky on this. We got that pop back above 80s. We had a stop that brought us back down. We absorbed the liquidity on that stop fill. So now it's just this fight right into 85. If we don't get that push above 85, we're going to be in trouble on this, and we'll have to vacate this one. You can see all of these overhead orders. They're very soft. We're just kind of like running into the potential of having like stops getting popped above us here. So let's watch for it. Okay, right through 80 here leads us that pop to 85. You see, the moment we trade into it, they pull it. So that's what I want to see trading the long side of this. Because it's trappy. It's trapping these shorts that are getting in like right around 70 to 68. So I'm just trying to get this little pop to 85 here. Bit of liquidity there, still at 77. Should be able to pop this right through though. Just fighting this overhead supply coming in. Tickle, tickle. They're holding it still though. Big bids is what we want to see below us. Send it to 85 already. There's one more little... and we're right through it. What's going on in the SPs? What is above us here? 5650. Yeah. See, they want to buy it. Right there. Dude, you're kidding me. It's right there at 85, man. It's right there. There's only 30 contracts there at 82 halves. We might have to wait for the market open. Because that push should have got us there. I'm surprised that we didn't have more stops getting popped and sending it right through 85. Like, look at how much they're pushing this thing, but the absorption on the other side is just wacky. There we go. Fill it. Fill it. Right there at 84 halves. Are you kidding me? Come on, dude. Just fill the frickin'... There you go. You filled the frickin' order. About frickin' time. Jeez Louise. All right, I'm out. This is just ridiculous. Like, I'm putting in limit orders and they're not filling them, so I'm just out. That's ridiculous. I'm putting up limit orders, they're not filling. It's like, whatever, dude. Fine, I'm out. Like, just fill me at some point, right? Whatever. We're trading on Tradeify right now. Yeah, it is sim. That's I mean, I prefer the real stuff. I prefer the real trading versus the sim. I don't know why it doesn't fill half the time for me. When we're in these tight little ranges, it's, you know, is what it is. Yeah, this price action sucks. We'll have to wait. Just a little choppiness. I wanted that follow through. I mean, the way that they had those orders stacked below us, I thought we were going to just like get huge amount of stops getting popped, but whatever. Caught you that big move up yesterday? No. I locked up because I wanted to finish the month all green. So, that's what we did. You see that? They're still bidding this. Like, but get on with it. Like, if you're going to bid it, get on with it. It's weird. Equal sides are just kind of fighting over this area right now. We are still 12 minutes from the top of the hour, so I guess we're going to be waiting here. Not a great market to trade right after that print. I'm surprised that we didn't like... Nothing really that awesome. Yeah, 10 handle range. And now are they going to open this up? Just wondering if there's... I mean, I'm looking at this range. It's just garbage. 95 down to 65. 30 handles of range where it's like, yeah... Possibly hold until 10 a.m. No, dude. The open's going to move things around. They're not going to hold this all the way in a 30 handle range through the open. No chance. Ribs, what's your take on the difference between a trailing stop loss and intraday stop loss? You mean like end of day trailing versus intraday trailing? Obviously, I prefer the end of day. It's definitely something that you have to learn to manage for sure. Yeah, I know we have 10 a.m. data. It's just that I think the market's going to move well before that. I think the only important news from the day today is the ISM. Dude, what's going on in the S&Ps? Let me see. Yeah, it's literally sideways. It's moving in a range of 5 handles. Gross. Not trading ever again before 10 a.m. I'm so much more profitable after 10. My new rule from now on. I love that. You do whatever you identify, right? Oh yeah, Apple and Amazon today after the bell are going to be huge. But I'm just saying during today's session. During today's session is just ISM and that's it. As well as some tariff announcements coming later today, according to Hassett, I believe. I feel like even the overnight session was not great. Very choppy. Just, that was your clean trade. I wish I would have caught some of that. That would have been lovely. Can't trade for toffee. Lost my Apex again on the news. Totally my fault. I switched to TSX, made 1.2K, so I locked it in. Need to be smarter. You live and you learn. Is Apex still, are they, is it really 50% off right now? There's no way. Is it only 50% off? Let me see. Really? There's no 80% off anymore? What? No way. Let's see. Code rips, obviously. I don't know what else you'd use. It is. Whoa, you're right. 50% off. Dang. I'm sorry. I thought it'd be still 80% off, but I guess the sale ended. So that means maybe we'll see another sale this week. It's my last night meeting with the Apex dudes, so maybe we can cook up a little something with them. That would be so dope. I'd be so happy to do that. Supposed to get them drunk for 90%. It's a work in progress. Yeah, Apex is still 1 day pass. It's been like that. I haven't traded from since February and so much more profitable. Rather take small props or small pros on Percy account than nothing on props. Mindset not there yet for props. I think it's the opposite personally. I think you should get profitable in props before you start thinking about trading a personal. Ooh, look at that dunk. SB's back below the VWAP slightly. Last 90% was 16 bucks. Yeah, that was sick. Be nice to get that back. Dude, I wanted to be done with Tradeify. I wish I would have got filled at those friggin' 90s. So annoying. Whatever, we got more work to do. It does look like it wants to soft. It looks like it wants to do an open dump, but I don't know, maybe to like 800s. Could be a crazy, crazy sell-off, you know? Started with personal, I could say 100% honesty, start with prop. Yeah, I get questions all the time. Like people are always asking me, like when I'm posting my personal account on Instagram or on Twitter, they're like, what broker do you use? Like, it doesn't matter. Like, it's not the broker. What platform are you using? Doesn't matter. That's not how it works. But like when people are asking me like what broker I use, it's like, I know right away. I'm like, all right, let me just tell you this. Don't trade on a personal account until you have 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability on props. We are 5 minutes from the top of the hour, and I'm hoping that we have some algorithms coming on to start show us some cleaner price action than this spotty trash liquidity right now. Yeah, Microsoft is perking a little bit. Brokers only really matter with CFDs. Yeah, when you're trading CME, I mean, there's a couple things that you want to look for with a broker. You want to have a trusted, regulated broker. Obviously, that's step one. If you're in the US, there's plenty to choose from. Number two, you want to make sure that they're working with a good clearing firm. If they're self-clearing, you want to make sure their risk desk is good. And then find out one that meets your criteria for the number of contracts you're willing to trade and their margin requirements for those contracts. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all. CFD brokers matter because they're the ones that are setting the spread and they're scammers. CFDs are not legal here in the US for good reason. There's a lower volatility volume today, just right now, yeah. Yep. I think it's the CEO. I don't know, some CEO. I think it's the GM CEO is talking about how tariffs could affect them all the way through 2026. Unless there's some kind of resolve in tariffs, is what they just said. This time of day is always the worst? Not necessarily. I want to go drive my neighbor's Studebaker after hearing this music for 50. Me too, man. What is the reason CFDs are illegal? Because there's room for nefarious actors to scam you. It just, and plus, like, the real answer, besides consumer protection, is that they want more volume in the real markets by U.S. participants. Simple. All right, we got 2.5 minutes. Let's see if this spices things up for us at all. Be lovely. Ford CEO said that he supports tariffs and thinks it will help our country, but Ford manufactures the most vehicles in the U.S. already. Oh, there's a little break. Can we break VWAP? In the NAS. S&Ps need to break down here. I don't know. Doesn't look like there's a bunch of crazy sellers that want to take it much lower. We'll see. Yeah, Europe is not helping us right now. Let's put it that way. Amazon is going to show how many tariffs you pay when you check out shopping cart, like taxes. I think that they're talking about implementing that. I don't know if it's something that's actually going to roll out. I think it's more of a threat. We'll see. Who knows? Who knows? You never know. Bezos folding on that. Did he already? Jeff Bezos. Bezos. Wait. Hey, Bezos. I don't know why. Sometimes it just... It's because the word Bezos. What am I saying? Hey. How's that legal? How's what legal? Jeffrey Bezos. How many of those Celsius do you go through a day? On an average Thursday, about 36 cans. Fridays, usually about 48 cans. Saturdays is my Celsius fast. Depending on when you run, the reset rebill activation fee is locked into that promo. Interesting. Ooh, it's threatening to do the roll. We're below the VWAP now. Threatening to do the roll here. Danny says, so seriously, I have a question. You mentioned several days that you don't drink alcohol anymore. Yesterday, you were drinking White Claw. What is the truth? Sometimes I drink White Claw, but to be honest, like, is it really alcohol? Is it really? 17% by volume is not 100%. So it's like if I'm putting together 17% of effort in something, is it really like that I'm doing it? Like if I go into a store and I steal 17% of the merchandise, am I really breaking the law? I don't think so. So when I see a White Claw can that says 17% alcohol by volume, I'm not really drinking. You know what I mean? Not actually drinking. If you have an affair with 17% effort, is it really an affair? Probably not. Oh, goodness. I haven't drank in years. I haven't had any alcohol in years. Nobody likes a quitter. Would my wife be okay having 17% affair? Probably not. I'm going to go with no on that one. I don't think that's ever going to happen. Think that's impressive? I mean, sure. I mean, I just didn't want to drink anymore. It wasn't challenging at all. I was really sick and tired of drinking, to be honest. It got old. I partied a lot. It just got old, dude. That's funny, humble. I know what can give you more than 17%. That's right, code rips. Oh, that's funny. So we are just drifting lower here. This is so uninteresting. This is just bleh. We're just drifting. 9 a.m. came and went. It's like, meh. We're just slowly drifting. This is why I wake up 4:30 a.m. daily. Love this stream. Thanks, buddy. Is it true when you got old, you don't quit drinking? What do you mean? I mean, I have tons of friends that don't drink. I have tons of friends that do drink. Like, I don't care. Do whatever you want. These non-alcoholic beverages you have at dinner with your wife when you post on Insta. Yeah, they're all mocktails. I literally have zero interest in drinking. Zero. People are like, oh, how do you live in Vegas? You're surrounded by alcohol. It's like, because I don't want to drink. I don't know. I have zero interest in drinking. And then again, it's like, I don't care if people around me are getting blasted. That's fun. I think it's fun. Kind of makes me feel buzzed, you know? I think it's a good time. Oh, snap. We are setting this lower. S&Ps are actually starting to roll. Are we cracking that area that I like? Ooh, we're at the inflection point. This could be a risky trade. We could take it pre-market. Ooh, buddy. I don't know. Do we risk it to get the biscuit? Why does the stream always turn into Rips drinking? See, this is just all a fever dream, and this is my version of AA, I guess. Rips, do you still drink? No. I saw you drinking on Instagram. Are you sure that's not alcohol? Oh, goodness. My wife has a glass of wine a few nights a week. I've not had any alcohol in 5 years. On a nice hot day, I do have an urge to get a cold beer. You know what you can get, G-Lines? Had one yesterday with the Apex dudes. Heineken Zero. Tastes just like beer. No alcohol. If you really have a hankering to get the taste of beer. But again, it's like, just whatever. Look at that, bouncing off that potential crack there. Guinness 0%. I've never had that one before. Yeah, Apex is in town. In Vegas here. This song is giving me anxiety. I'm gonna switch this one. That song was called Fridge Thief, if you were wondering. Who names a song Fridge Thief that sounds like that? Does my wife drink alcohol? No. She could if she wanted to, but no, she chooses not to. Is the Apex team cool? Very cool. They're awesome. Some kid fell 20 feet at the Cubs game. Is he okay? I saw that clip. That was awful. Are they okay? That looked horrible. Skull fracture? Is it no paralysis or anything? I mean, what was the dude just drunk? I've always wondered that too, because like every single time I'm at a sporting event, I'm like, that's like really like you could just go over that thing at all stadiums. I really hope that doesn't bring in regulations and ruin it for everybody. Looked like he launched out of seat, dude. I mean, it looked awful. It looked like an ejector seat for sure, but don't really want to joke about it. What are your thoughts on using a VPS? Good or just upgrade computer? VPS? For what? Elaborate. Why would you... you lost me. Why would it be VPS or upgrade? Like, are you using like a VPS that's stronger than your computer? Is that kind of what you mean? Market is moving barely though. I mean, 25 handles off the lows there. That's actually pretty nice. I only drink on weekends, maybe one day a week, getting close to 50 though. Getting close to, oh, your age. Need to chill on the excessive partying. Dude, if you're still partying around 50, that's insane, bro. Although I know a lot of people that are around that age that get wild still. It's nutty. Have you traded Bitcoin? In the past, sure. Not recently. My biggest futures trade was Bitcoin futures. Once upon a time. I feel great. I made more than rips today. Congratulations. Hats off to you, buddy. I'm thinking we're going to have to wait for the open. Not that I want to. You're never too old to party, only too old for the day after. Ooh, I like that. At the end of the day, you either die from liver, kidney, or heart failure anyways. Yeah. I mean, dude, I'm not like anti-drinking, anti-partying. Do whatever you want to do. I'm much more libertarian in that sense. It's your body. Do whatever the heck you want to do, man. Or woman. Do it all. Live as hard as you want to live. You know? What's your skincare routine? Just go out in the sun. Just bake like a cake. Yesterday was beautiful. Finished trading, locked it up, went straight to the pool. That's what I did yesterday. Do you switch trading sessions at different periods or of the trading year? I come live every single morning here, 8 a.m. That's all I can promise. I come in here, I trade. I'm a news trader, momentum trader, order flow trader. If there's a setup to trade, I'm trading it. That's pretty much it. I remember when going to bed early was a punishment, now it's a treat. I agree. It's a gift. I didn't get much sleep last night because we were out until the wee hours of 9 p.m. I didn't get much sleep, but I mean, I got like 6 hours, I think. No, less than that. What am I saying? I wonder if Elon's ever going to solve these bots that keep reposting the same crap. Like, you need to follow this trader. It's like, dude, it's insane. How do they not have filters for that yet? Favorite sport, tennis. Easily. Ribs has that George Hamilton glow. Who's George Hamilton? Like, hold on. Who's that? George Hamilton. Dude. Yep. I sure do. What the? What? It's not Christmas. Christmas in May, baby. Get the heck out of here. I hate Christmas music. It's so annoying. Oh, wow. Tesla reports, or Wall Street Journal reports Tesla board looking for new CEO. Is that the only place they're reporting? Because Bloomies didn't. It's got to be fake. Tesla's cratering on that. Let me see. I wonder if the person who wrote that article had purple hair. Just gonna put that out there. Oh, yesterday I missed it. Yeah, I missed that. Earlier today, there's a media report erroneously claiming that the Tesla board had contacted recruitment firms to initiate a CEO search at the company. This is absolutely false. I'm guessing somebody who had purple hair and likes to draw swastikas on Cybertrucks. One of those folks. I'm gonna get you. Look at me, I'm drawing a swastika on a Cybertruck with a Sharpie. I'm gonna show you. I'm a productive member of society. Look at me go. Tesla's cratering right now. I wonder what's causing that. I mean, not cratering, but it's selling off a little bit. I wonder what's causing that. If you don't like Christmas music, then why do you have it on? You know, sometimes I like to just mess with myself, dude. I like to throw myself a couple curveballs in the morning. Just to see how I'll react, you know? Just sometimes I just do that, man. Rips, all your haters are taking screenshots. Huge red day for you. I know, man. What are we gonna do? Do I have any tattoos? No. I know, boring. I saw the first Cybertruck in my town 2 weeks ago. 2 cars were following it, holding down their horns. No way. Where do you live? When do you think Elon will go to space after Katy Perry beat him? Wait, has Elon not been up there yet? Has he not? I guess he hasn't, right? What's crazy is the amount of negative carp the mainstream media pulls out. Truly sad. I too hate when they have negative carps. Those fish are the worst. We are 15 minutes from the open. My goodness, I can't wait for this open. I want to see if we can trade. Elon's car's been further than any human. There's a lot of, wait, where's Richard Harris? Where's my guy, Richard Harris? Are you here, buddy? Richard Harris. Do you think that that car is actually in outer space? I don't think he's here today. I miss Richard when he's not here. Any freebies? If we get the likes up, I'll do freebies. I always have the same deal with you folks out there. If you want free stuff, just like the stream. I'll give away free stuff. I don't have anything better to do. I don't know, it's weird. I woke up this morning, I was like, I don't think today's gonna be a good trading day. And then I saw the market was up like a lot. I was like, oh, maybe I'm wrong. And then we traded the scrap and I was like, oh, maybe I was right. Any special discount today from Rips to Apex? Not yet. Going to dinner with them tonight. I will see what I can do. No promises though. Yeah, I know. It's a big holiday. I know. I didn't expect a whole lot anyway. I'm probably not going to trade the Percy today. Famous last words, I know, but like literally, if the market is not giving us opportunities, I don't know. I feel kind of like lazy today. I don't know what it is. I really do. I feel lazy-ish. Can you talk to Apex about adding a feature to buy 20 accounts at one time? Takes forever to buy them. I have. I actually have. They said no. Which one is the best out of these three? Apex, Tradeify, or Take Profit Trader? They're all different rules. Tradeify is straight to funded. Take Profit Trader has daily payouts when you get over the threshold. And Tradeify is straight to funded. Wait, did I already say that? Apex is the only prop firm out there where you can take multiple millions of dollars in payouts, in my opinion. Apex is the only one that, like, you can get to millions of dollars in payouts, but it's going to take a lot longer in these other firms. So, I mean, they're all different. They're all different. Starting Apex PA today, is it best to stick to a static position size and risk reward? Yeah, kind of. It's difficult. You just have to focus on hitting base hits until you get out of the buffer zone or whatever you want to call it, the trailing drawdown. You just need to hit base hits until you get out of that zone. And then once you get out of that zone, creep out a little bit more and then slowly increase your size, I suppose. Halfway on Apex 50K one weekend, no red days. Let's go, baby. Nice. Tradeify was coming out with new payout. Oh yeah, the payout window is gone in Tradeify as of today. So you can request a payout any day you want as long as you meet the threshold and criteria. Apex used to be some other company would change your view. Look at all the payouts that people are getting. I don't see another prop firm where they're giving payouts out like that. Has it updated yet on the website yet? I don't know. You still need 5 days in Tradeify though, right? They still have 20% consistency. Well, in the straight to funded, I need 10 days. But you can request any day now. You don't have to wait for the payout window. Once you meet the criteria. Is copy trading your own accounts work with Trade of 8? I don't copy trade my own accounts. I just trade one account. CPI today? Not that I'm aware of. ISM though. And then NFP tomorrow. That's all I know of. Is Apex the biggest prop firm? I think they've paid out the most of any prop firm. I think. I don't know. What are your thoughts on NFU? A lot of people love them. I haven't traded them yet. Dude, there's that push above 80s that we were wanting way back when. Come on. 10 minutes till the open now. Now they're coming alive. Now they're all waking up. Yeah, PMI. Correct. What's going on with my charts over here? Spazzing out. Is there a profit target and trade a 5 straight to funded? Yes. The dashboard is so easy to understand. You literally hover over anything in your dashboard and it tells you, like, brain dead simple what you need to be doing. It's very easy to understand. So we are still waiting for the market to open. We got 8 minutes. If we get the stream likes up, we're going to do something fantastic. Trust me. I'll be right back. All right, we are back. 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes. There seems to be a big 50% off with first-time buyers on MFFU. Code RIPS is working for it. Let the people know 50K starters, $48.50 with no activation fee. Well, now the people know. Code RIPS! All right, I really want this market to open so bad. I just want to trade and be done. Just want to trade, be done, get on with my day. Missed you at the Table 1 multi-table tournament yesterday, Psychopath. Dude, did you play? Who are you? It was 2 days ago, wasn't it? I thought it was 2 days ago. Four and a half minutes, or 5.5 minutes, come on. Yeah, I know, orders building on top. It does look like it's just gonna roll. Didn't do well. Who won? Did Chino make a deep run? I feel like he was playing it. Art or JY make a deep run? There's like less than 2 tables, right? Or less than 3 tables? They asked me to play, but I couldn't because I have Apex people in town. There's your liquidity, 925. Gino was there, not sure who won 2 tables. Yeah, 14 people. We gotta get rid of these jingle bells, dude. Get out of here, jingle bells. AT1 says, first time here. How are you doing, sweetheart? Are we already on that sweetheart pet name basis? It's your first time here. How you doing? How you doing? What are you up to this morning? Welcome. What's up, sweetheart? Sorry. This market is so boring. Dude, they did the heart emoji. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this. Not a troll, but we are very close to locking down the Vegas event in September. We are very close. Any recommendations on what videos on Bookmap to look into so people can gauge the market like you do? You just got to spend time with it. For most people, they're probably not going to like it. I would go on their YouTube channel and watch their videos. But most people don't like Bookmap. A lot of people like it. A lot of people don't. I mean, it's a mixed bag. Some people like it. Do I ever execute trades for Bookmap? No. You can. I just don't. What's a Vegas event? We're going to have a meetup with popular trading influencers in the space where we do like a morning live trading session followed by a strategy session featuring a bunch of different popular trading influencers. And it'll be offered to you for the very high ticket price of free $99. Absolutely free. 100% free. And then a poker tournament. Maybe a poker cash game live stream. But free. The best price out there. Can't beat that price. But yeah, it's almost guaranteed. It's going to be in September. Almost guaranteed. I'll have dates within the next couple weeks, like the actual dates. And then the best part is there's going to be ways to win flights, hotel packages, the whole nine. And saying that it's free because many others charge for an event, well, why charge? Let's make it free, baby. Let's make it free. I'll give you all the information as soon as I can. All right, 30 seconds. Finally, we're here. Market opening. Come on. Just give us a non-choppy opening, please. I'm asking a lot, but like, let's get us out of this crap. Yeah, poker tournament, also meetup cash game, and then possibly having some folks, if they want to be on a live stream, a poker live stream, doing that too. But yeah, like, I'll get you more information soon. I can't spoil anything yet. I got to get confirmations on everything. Markets are open. Here we go. This is gross already. I can just tell. I don't like this. Hope to play the WSOP again this year, but a lot has to go right for that. Well, I hope you do. Hope you do. Hope you take it all down. Look at the S&Ps right now. We're not doing anything. Markets are open. Good morning, Ribs. Funny enough, I'm actually a bit relieved to see red number on your screen. It's oddly refreshing. I started to think I had a monopoly on it. You're funny. I'm going to try to get out of this drawdown. I'm just waiting. This is just not the nicest open I've seen lately. Going into the VWAP. Apple's pulling back. Tesla's going straight up. Google, Microsoft going up. Not a lot of confluence yet. Woofta. Wait. Tax cuts for small businesses? They still sell these 50s. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we might have missed the train here. All right, I got to take that break. I'm trying the breakout. You can call it a breakout, breakdown, whatever. I'm trying this breakout trade. We got to hold pretty low here for this to work. Oh, snap, we're done. Yes. All right, Tradeify done. Hey, market, come here real quick. Thank you. That's all I wanted, dude. Just, God, get me out of this stupid fucking market, man. Woo! Look at this cover. You want to talk about market genius. Look at that cover, brah. Ignore this. Ignore this. I did something earlier. But look at that. Look at that cover. Ooh-wee! All the deeds that I do to please her. All the trades that I take that in this market. Give my babe whatever she wants. I catch a reindeer if she wants me to. My baby's got a thing for Santa. What is this song? And she giggles whenever he's near. I grown myself a beard in time for Christmas. What is this song? I grew myself a beard for Christmas. Because that's what you do, right? Listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas. Oh, it's a f***ing Christmas song. All right, we got it. You know what? You failed me, genre. Let's do... This could be the one. Ooh, this is like Temu Red Hot Chili Peppers. This is called mildly warm jalapenos. I don't really want to trade for the rest of the day. I think I'm done. Let's see. Let's get our report card for the day. I love Tradeify, dude. Just so direct on what I need to do. Holy crap, Microsoft? I mean, oh, you probably missed the earnings. When did you get in? Was waiting to follow. Don't follow me. This is not a signal stream. You're going to be very disappointed. This is a Miyagi stream. I'm trying to Miyagi you, bruh. I just want you to learn so you can do it on your own. You're trying to follow people. Get out of town, dog. Let's get out of town. There we go. Oh, our trade went down. We still up on that trade streak though, baby. Ooh-wee. Look at this. Month of April. Good. Month of May. Ooh, good start. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I haven't checked yet, but if we want to do some giveaways, now's the time. I don't know if I can find another trade in this market because it's just so poppy. It looks like, look, if you're asking me, gun to my head, and you had to put on one single trade today, I would say shorts are going to be in control today. We're probably going to retrace below 900. That would be like gun to my head, like have to take a trade today. It would be like the roll below 900. But you see like how we keep popping here? Like that's what's making this dangerous, where it's like, I don't feel comfortable taking this on Apex because of the trailing drawdown. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? I can trade it on the Percy Jackson, but why don't I just wait for a cleaner day? You know what I mean? That's my thoughts. That's like my naked thought stream. That's how I feel about it. So, I don't know. That's my hot take on the markets. So, take it as you will, or don't take it at all. If you're looking for longs, I love that, dude. I love when we have like a disagreement on what we're looking for. Like, I love that. I think it's what makes the markets beautiful. That's why they move so much. Disagreement in price until we consolidate. But hey, I mean, I just don't think that there's a good opportunity for me to crack open an Apex trade right now. And I just don't feel like trading my Percy. You know why? Hold on, let me pull up the broker statement. I'll show you why. Look at this. Oh, hold on. I don't want to show anything personal. Here. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Look at this. Skirt, skirt. See, this is real. Dorman. Net futures for the month. Monthly statement. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me bring this down a little bit. Zoop. Net futures P&L for the month was $324,453.50. Did I take any out? 100,000, but not this last month, but the month before that. So, Michael DeVicchio says, I don't like this part of the stream. If there was only a way that you could find a way to close it. If there was only a way. Me personally, if I wasn't me, I'd love this part of the stream because I'd be like, that's possible. I like this part of the stream because I'd be like, dude, that motivates me to see what's possible. Trading the futures market and this guy like talks all day, clicks a couple buttons. I want to do that. By the way, this is my T-bill. It's missing 15K because of the margin. I can't scroll up because he's gonna reveal my personal information. I'm gonna redact my personal information and then post this all on Twitter. How many pages is this? This is page 5. So all 5 pages of this are gonna be posted on Twitter later today, but you get a sneak peek. That's what I'm proud of for the month of what is it, April. Look, we're coming down. Oh, somebody said short. Edge clear, but this is Dorman. Dorman is who I clear through. Edge clear is the introducing broker to Dorman. Dorman. There you go. Anyway. There you have it. And the reason why I show that is obviously not to brag, but to show you what's possible in trading futures. Because you need to know what's possible. There's a lot of people that are charlatans out there. There's a lot of people that are fraudsters, fakes. They're either selling you like a fake dream or whatever the case. I don't want to sell you anything. I just want you to tune in every single morning, hang out. That's it. Free streams. Don't want your money. Want your patronage. That's it. I want to hang out in the mornings. That's it. And if we do an event, I want it to be free. If we hang out in person, I want that meetup to be free. That's how I feel about things. I want to give value back to the community. That's it. Can you make Discord free? The reason why Discord has a price, and somebody was like DMing me about this 2 weeks ago. Like, why do you charge for your Discord? The people in there are more involved in it than I am, and the monthly price for that keeps the people who are in there as serious traders. And if you think that's a troll, you think that I'm lying about that, that's fine. I don't care. I really don't care. But the reason why it has that price is it keeps people that are at a lower bar or lower barrier, like, out of there. And I personally have, like, I love the group, but I'm biased, of course, but it's people who are very serious about trading and are completely, like, locked in. So if anybody asks me, they're like, oh, how do I get your course? Here, let me show you something. Let me just show you something. I was doing giveaways yesterday. Okay. This is how I reply to people. This person said, "Hi, do you teach your strategies and setups in your course? I stream for free every single day. I don't have any courses to sell you. Sorry, one of my courses, Discord and Clubhouse Marketing, to teach your strategies there. Thanks. It's better for you to just watch the free streams." Okay, thanks. That's how I feel about it. That's how I feel about it. And if you don't find value in here, I don't know. Maybe there's more value for you elsewhere. I don't know. I have no idea, dude. All I can say is I come on here, stream, try to make it fun, try to have a good time. That's it. Is the Discord community more of a community than just for traders to talk to each other? I mean, it's serious people. Like, it's a tight group of serious people who are, like, serious about their trading. The people in there are way more active than I am. And that's just the honest truth. They're way more active than I am. But that's what makes it great. Like, the collaborative effort in there. I traded alone for a very long time and I don't like it. That's one of the reasons I love doing this stream. I love streaming and trading with a group. I enjoy it much more than trading alone. Now, there are times when I want to trade alone. Times when I'm feeling like I just want to trade in my privacy. I do that still, obviously, but I really enjoy trading with all you folks. I'm gonna go watch someone trade paper, loser. There you go. Well, there's a lot of people out there. Plenty of people to choose from. Can't lie though, having the team on MC behind you every day to talk to is awesome. So many ideas, so much insight. Dude, there's killers in there. National did like 150,000 last month, $100,000 a month before that. It's like, these people are sick. Like, they're insane. They're dope people. Ooh, this track. Hold on, I gotta check the likes. Let me see if I'm wasting my time or not. We are at 561 likes. We're very close. I'm gonna do a quick, no, we don't need to do a poll. But if we get 38 more likes, I will do some giveaways. Any plans today? Yes. My detailers are coming over at, well, probably about 30 minutes from now. So get the whole fleet cleaned up. Then wifey has no Pilates, no personal training today. So we're going to hang out, probably enjoy the sunshine. What's the weather today? I think it's going to be nice today. It is supposed to be, oh, dude, it's cloudy a little bit. Well, tomorrow is going to be sunny, so we'll enjoy the pool tomorrow. I surprised my wife yesterday. Wait, what's happening? What news is coming out? Oh, manufacturing PMI. My bad. Not that important. But I surprised the wifey. I'm taking her to Post Water Malone on Saturday with Jelly Roll. going out to dinner and doing a little VIP experience at Post Malone. She loves Post, so she was very happy about that. There you go. So that's my plan. Today, tomorrow, this week. Can you please talk about consistency, Rips? What would you like to know? What would you like to know? Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, it's giveaway time. All right, I'm going to blow out some free whatever you want. If you want an Apex account, great. If you want a free month of MC, great. Whatever you want. I'm here to let's just have some fun. Because I'm done trading. Like I'm not touching Apex. I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching a dang thing. This is not my market. I think tomorrow's going to be better when we have NFB. I'm happy that we made the money that we did. That's like legendary. I'm so proud of that. I didn't think we would. I was like, I hope there's a trade, and then we. All right. So, Ribsmod, if you would please drop me the links, the set of links. Jelly lost a load of pounds, probably half his weight by now. Yeah, it's awesome. He's really doing it. I'm excited too for the show. Don't get me wrong. Like I love Post Malone too. He's a very talented individual. All right, there we go. Let's click on. Let's do Tradeify sale. Let's click on Tradeify sale. Okay, so you click on that. It's gonna load. And see right at the top, it says get a stream of income and unlock your earning potential. It says learn how to manage risk. You see this? Learn how to manage risk and blank your trading. Blank your trading with up to 750,000. So just type in that word that I'm saying, the blank part, and you're entered into the giveaway. That's it. Simple, right? Cool. Oh, we're all on board. Sweet. All right, I'm going to put on some giveaway music in the meantime while you folks type that in. Type it in one single time. You have to be following me on Instagram and on Twitter. I would be trading, but I just refuse to trade this price action. I would continue to trade if there was price that I thought I could trade. This is not it. It's weird. It just feels lacking, so I'm not interested in it. This could slowly grind all the way to 20,300 all day with like. I just don't want to do it. Get on with my day. In fact, see if my detailers are coming on time. Okay. Here we go. By the way, you have to be following me on Instagram and on X. When you win, I'm going to ask you what your username is on Instagram or X. And that's it. That's all we do. Okay. Here we go. First winner. Boop. Riyadh. You were asking questions earlier today. Congratulations to you, buddy. What would you like? Free month of MC or have you ever played poker with Tom Dwan? My buddy's was roommates with him. Have we played together? No. I think we're gonna go to dinner this month or next month. He's having like a mental breakdown right now, which is sad. We got 10 a.m. news. We do. 10 minutes. We'll be here for it. Don't worry. Not going anywhere. Yo, what's your username and what would you like? MC, got you. What's your username so I can find you? Cause I'll find you. I know Riyadh on X, but like what's the full name? Let me see. I'm gonna look for you. Is it just Riyadh? Because that person doesn't follow me. Okay, yeah. See, I never would have guessed that. That's a very unique name. I don't think I ever would have got that. There you go. Okay. Oh, you sent me a message. You were buried in like a spam filter box thing. I have thousands of those right now. Thousands and thousands. Here we go. There you go. Next winner. DF. As in dirty f***ing. Probably not. Anyone see something tradable? I tried shorts wrong. Yeah. I mean, I was looking to the short side too. I don't want to touch this. All right, you got 30 seconds to claim here, buddy. We could do turbo round too. We could do 45 seconds to claim. Make sure you're all the way caught up to the live. Like fast forward the stream. Like watch it in 2x speed. I'll be like, 15 more seconds. I'm going to change after the DF. We're going to 45 seconds to claim because I want to blow out a lot of these. I want to get it popping, dog. Skirt, 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 skirt. All right, and next winner. Petflix. Got 30 seconds. Hey, now it's you. Now it's you. What? Something. Somebody said something. Okay, what's your username though? Woo, let's go. Yes, I am getting detailed this morning. Is it just Petflix on IG? I'm gonna check it. Petflix. You don't follow me on that. Okay, yeah. Let's see. How was I gonna guess that from Petflix? Broke trading. Sanid. Yeah. Sorry, wait. Which one is it? Sanid. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try broke trading. Nope. Nope. None of those follow me at all. So. Yeah, now I see you. But like, dude, put in your full name next time. Congratulations. What do you want? Do you want MC or Apex? Now you tell me what you want. I don't know why you didn't put in your full name. People are funny. All right, gotcha. D. Hold on, let me grab the code here. Down. All right, congrats. One free Apex. Boom. And this is for any size. You can use it for any size account you want. Coupon expires December 31st. You're welcome. Next winner, George, Marco, Polo. Username and what it's going to be. SW, stop. You stop it right now. Be nice. Dude, you get it now. It's kind of like an IQ test. You get it. You see it. Now you get it. Wait, was that my doorbell or was that a squawk? Okay, we're coming up on George Marco. I'm sorry, buddy, but 5 more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Pat Harrison, you're the winner. I'm gonna make this 30 seconds. You got to be on the ball today. 45 seconds is still too long. Remember, catch up to the stream, make it live, so you get notified when you win. 8 more seconds, Pat. And boom. Stancoin, yes! What would you like, sir? I think I already know, Stanley the Manly. I think I already know what you want, dog. I have a feeling. I'm going to guess. I'm going to go ahead and just add it. But hey, if I'm wrong, I got you. You are good until July. Love you, buddy. Oh, that's not a month. There we go. Next winner. Charles O'Shea. Come on down. Come on down, dude. Oh, wow. The market's coming right back there. This is such gross price action. I refuse to trade this crap. 30 seconds. So you got 10 more seconds here, buddy. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah. 4 minutes until the news comes out, and then we'll figure this out. And next winner is Sean Micardo. MC. Okay, but what's your username? That was quick though. I like that. Oh, look at that. Do you see how fast this is? Do you see it? I'm just saying, dude. I'm guessing Instagram. Bing, ging, 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 ging. Gotta find this. I wish there's a faster way for me to do this. Yep, you do follow me. Beautiful. Congratulations. While I'm sending that, I'm gonna get the next person. Congrats, dude. Oh, you've already won. You won. What's your? Are you in here right now? Are you in MC? If you are, just say something in Discord. I can add it to your account a lot easier that way. Andrew Peasy for Sheezy. Whatever. I'm just gonna send you the message. Ding, 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 ding. There you go. Sent you the message. All right. Oh, you're Sean. Okay. Well, use the code I sent you. Woo! With 1 second to spare. So close. What would you like, sir? What'll it be? MC or Apex? Got you. Congrats. 1 free Apex. All right. Last one before the news, and then we'll do one more afterwards. Brian Manosk. Manosk. I feel like you've won before. I remember your name. Ding, ding, ding. Market's still coming down. Zin, 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 zin. There we go. Yep, but what's your username? I can go searching for you. Nosk. No, that one doesn't follow me. All right, that one probably does. There you go. Gotcha, buddy. Zoop. There you go. Boom. You're all set. All right, let's see what happens with this news here. See if there's any kind of cleanliness in a trade. So construction spending in ISM. This is gonna be crazy, dog. Look at how thin it is, dude. This is insane, bruh. We're right at that inflection point where if it dumps, oh my gosh, it's gonna dump. It's gonna dump if it dumps. It's gonna do what it do. That's what the 3Coin always says. Oh. Wow. This is wild. What a spread. Holy. Oh my God. Jeez, this spread is insane. Order book is like 20 handle spread here. Oh my God. 48.7 did improve month over month. Prices paid ticked up a little bit. Construction spending is down more than expected. This is crazy how still this is so wide after this print. A lot of algorithms are missing because of the closure in Europe. S&Ps are pushing up. S&Ps have less of a gap? Let's see. Not really. Ooh. No. It looks like it wants to roll a little bit, doesn't it? A little bit. Just a little bit. Will it actually break like 5630 though to the downside? Survey says. Looks like it wants to kind of. I don't know. We could go to these lows here at like 5630 and just like bounce right back up. Let's see what happens. 5630 here. Does it actually break below this? If not, it's going to bounce like a banshee. Point of control moved to 5635. I'm just watching the S&P here. Meow, 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 meow. It's making its way back up. Is there any defense though? Wow, look at that rejection off the lows in the NASDAQ too. Let's see. Starting to crack lower here, 900s. Does it actually make its way downtown? Looks like a lot of bids below us still. If 900s hold, this thing will get poppy. If 900s hold. Big if. 900s, that's where the point of control is still. It looks like 900s might hold. Can it actually hold though? Looks like they might. If we popped up to like 950, this thing would get juicy. Let's see. We could also be like stuck in a range now. That's also a possibility. S&P is rejecting a little bit. Not enough though. Not enough for me to be interested at least. How poppy will it get? Let's see. I'd say like 950. Poppy, poppy, poppy. But if we don't get up there, then droppy, droppy, droppy. Has to auction below 900s for this to get droppy and droopy. That's where the point of control is too, right at 900. So if this thing does want to roll, it would be below 900. Above 950 gets us jamming to the north side. Below 900 gets us slamming to the south side. That's my call. We're just diddling in the middle here. I'm not seeing a lot of sellers interested yet. Watching on these pops. We popped to 930, but still not a lot of sellers on this tape yet. Like it's doing these quick little pops and micro drops. Let's see if we fade back down towards like 900 at least. This could be interesting. 910s are trading. 900s. That's the line in the sand here. If 900s go, this thing will be insane to the downside. If 900s go. Big if. We came right up to him. See all these bids showing up underneath us right now? This, I think, could bring us to 950. Because we retested 900s. We're going to build the next generation of NVIDIA technology. Latest tweet from Trump here. Okay, here we come. 950s, like we said. Up to those 950s. Can we hold a push through 950? That's the question. Almost. Wait for it. Wait for it. $950 is still not trading here. Can we get below? We hold any of these bids here. Let's see. See on any of these pullbacks how strong these bids are. Because it's still chopping. Coming right to that VWAP right at 950. Not seeing like the poppiness that you would expect here at 950. So still a bit of defense on the tape here. Can we break lower? We tagged 950. Can we break? Like, is that enough liquidity to get us through 900 now? Watching on this pullback. If we only pulled back to like 920 here, then I think we're still strong. Still some sellers. Let's wait and see. I'm looking for any kind of bids to show up here. We just touched 920. Little bit of bid action, but not a lot. $920 is that line in the sand for me. Moving up from 900. Okay, we are cratering below temporarily here. Watching. 920 is still that line in the sand. Yep, you can see those bids stacking up. Right there on that pullback to 920. We did not find sellers underneath that 920, but seeing on this weak bounce, potentially. S&P still rejecting. Watching here on the sweep below. Do we get 900s? That's the big question here. And do we actually get 900s to trade? Wow. Survey says yes. We actually did trade 900s. Wow, and we're trading lower than that? Oh my gosh. That's kind of insane. Wow. All right, whatever. Whatever, dude. We made $15,000. Hey, you go us. Whatever, dude. You know, whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. I know, I lied again. I said I wasn't going to trade the Percy Jackson, but when they give me that little, that weakness above 950, I was like, oh, I can't not take this. I can't not take this. You know, there's that old saying, if you see $15,345 lying on the floor, you bend the over and you pick it up. What can I say? What can I say? All right, one more giveaway. I think it's time. What can I say, right? What can I say? Next winner. Okay, Lynn. Wait, who else caught that short? Drop a W in chat if you saw that same thing I saw. That 950 weakness. I was like, if it gets above 950, it'll be poppy. And they got to 950. They're like, hold on a second. Wait a minute. This is where we should short it from. Like, dude, it was like screaming at me. I swear to God, it was screaming at me. The market was like, dude, if you don't short this, you're going to leave $15,000 on the table, you fucking retard. That's how I felt about it. I mean, either way, you either caught the pop to 50s, which we called out at 900s. I said, if 900s hold, we're going to pop to 50s. And if 50s don't hold, we're going to return to 900. So if you didn't, like, if you can't read it from that, like, I mean, dude, I'm trying to Miyagi you a little bit here. Caitlin, what would be your username so I can give this to you? I think 15 contracts. I was doing I think I had my order at 1 or 2, so I was clicking a lot. Caitlin, what's your username? I saw the 50 weakness in Bookmap. I saw the 200, the even 900s and the 50s. Like, it was just screaming at me, dude. I wish I would have caught it both ways, but I'm just not that good. It's 50 points, though. 50 points is 50 points, baby. What do you want from me? Oh, there you are. Piano trader. All right. Reroll. I'm going to send that code to you right now. I hope this is on. Yeah, you do follow me. Congratulations to you, Caitlin. Here we go. Congrats. 1 free Apex. Bingo, bango. I really didn't think I was going to trade the Percy Jackson today. Seriously. I really didn't think we were going to do it. You know what I mean? No, but for real. Some of you have been watching this show for too long. You know, you get me. All right, too long. Next. Tiger trading. You say that every day. You might be onto something. I don't want people copying my trades, dude. If you haven't figured that out, I don't want people copying my trades. I really don't. It's the last thing I want. It's going to teach you nothing. It's going to learn you nothing. But I can talk you through the order flow and exactly what I'm seeing. I think there's much more value in that personally. I'm just saying. Next. Nate. If I was like, hey, everybody, I'm short here. And everybody shorts it. And like, what do you learn from that? Nothing. Nothing. You learn nothing. Is it really you? Ah, what would you like, sir? You can tell me in Discord if you want. What'll it be? Don't be pressured by anybody in here on what to choose, by the way. Yeah, what would you like? Okay, I got you. You are good until, well, hold on. I'm gonna add the little coupon thing. You are my sunshine. Hold on. You are my sunshine, Nate. I'll have you know that right now. That's the truth, buddy. Okay, and boom. All right, you're good until May 30th. There you go. There you go, buddy. Triple C, one of our channel members in here. Triple C. I got you, Nate. Finessing a position and then someone tries to FaceTime call me repeatedly. No, dude, that is awful. I'm so sorry. Oh, hey. Well, hello, Triple C. What can I get for you? Triple C, of course, refers to cars, candy, and G. Why was that? Like, come on. AI needs to chill on that one. Finally. What would you like, MC or Apex? Ding, 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 ding. Triple C. Got you, buddy. Congrats, man. Been tuning in a lot. Finally paid off. There you go. All right, cool. That's my day, everybody. As you know, we made $15,000, $15,345 in the Percy Jackson. We made in Tradeify. We made some money in Tradeify. 878 times 5. That's like 4K, right? 878 spot 28 times 5. Yeah, $4,300. So hey, good day across the board. I'm happy with it. Yeehaw. We can all go home happy now. Enjoy our rest of our day. So I hope you all have a great day out there. I'm going to be back here tomorrow for Friday. NFP is going to give us a much better trade than what we had today. The keyword of the day, by the way, is what? The keyword by the entire session. What would you say? 2 words come to mind for me. Number 1 is patience. Number 2 is discipline. If you're patient and disciplined in these markets, I'll tell you what, there's no way that I'm willing. I risked $10,000 on that trade because I had a good feeling about it. And I thought I had a really good read on it. If I lose 10 grand on that trade, I walk away just as happy as I am now making 15K. So me to risk 10K on a trade, I had to wait for a setup to appear. I had to wait for the market to move. And I had to be patient enough for that to appear for me. If I tried to risk 10K on an earlier trade in my personal account, I probably would have lost. And that's because I wouldn't be patient. So I was patient, waiting for that setup. We had that hold at 900s, reflex at 950, weakness at 950, targeting back at those 900s. That for me is like, that's a good day. That's like, I feel good about that. So locking it up for the day, up about $20,000 across the board here. I hope y'all have a great day. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. And I'll see you back here on Friday for the final trading day of the week and the second week of May, or second day of May, rather. All right. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow. Discord, folks. Don't go anywhere. Be right with you.